wanna be forced to yanya maunga funi yegela. You can say what you want if you stand on it. Everybody amazed how we taking off and ain't got a propeller. And they mean if you come to my show then you gotta like bring an umbrella. I know it's scary, but it gets scarier than this. I wanna take this to the grave. You thought I was taking a piss. I aim at a target and I shoot. My pop's the only thing I miss. Rapper wanna speak on my name, I'ma see him in person. You know I ain't writing no diss.
Hola, Wafethu. This is Big B, the biggest Bali in the building, alongside the one and only CJ Makakamuga. Yeah man, it's nice to be back. You know, it's been a while since we've released something. It's not like we would be lazy, doing nothing. We did shoot 3 episodes, one with the Pro Kids that we called out since I release, but then since I release,
because the team has decided that no equipment are going to waste. Allegedly.
Yeah, so kufuna kwami mtantani sixabana labantu and stuff, but the rest of the team was spoken. So into yangathi yasibambhelela kancane. Then okunye we recorded a post episode after Pro Kids, kukhuluma Pro Kids khonokho nabomduso wethu the all white and stuff, but cut endleleni visual, but the audio ikhona yonke. So we couldn't use that episode. Then the same thing happened on the 4th episode we shot, so we just ended up
asicela ama-subscribers ukuthi besidonethele sithenga amakhamera. Then sidonethele sithenga amakhamera because kunama-inconvenience, you know, as in like mass record, akuvele kustop ukurecorda because usually into lesiyenza ngase-2 kuphela yabo, so
abanye abethimu
bengeke yabo. So apologies guys, apologies for the inconvenience, but we're back
because abantu abaningi bahlala bangikhalela and stuff. Lami ngiyabenzama, but hayi kuyalunga yabona. Hopefully from today going forward
sesile post nyana
okunye lapho isama man, yabona isama
kumnandi outside bro. Chaza kakhulu outside, you know.
So to get things going, from where we left. So started about the Pro Kid issue, the podcast, Pro Kid, you know.
So,
I'll just switch on my highlights.
I know. But I was about to say, which is the podcast Pro Kid had said we shouldn't drop it, what he wants it to be done in a professional. So we did say a lot of things on the podcast.
Professional malume sekhulumela umuntu oda 25-26 years yabona, but actually asikhulanga phela ngokufana yabona.
Moral of the story, the episode will be dropped. The team has decided.
Yeah, so on that episode we spoke about Dublin vibes, like imthethe about almost a year the project with I-Keep and stuff. So we spoke about that, wakhuluma ngama-challenges wakhona ukuthi into kade selibhaka like izimali and stuff. So it was like seventh with one of these guys from SA who did the shoot. So guy bengathi said Drake isikhathi and stuff.
But he did say all this good podcast, right?
Yeah, he did.
So that was just a glimpse of the podcast Pro guys.
Then ngabona ekhuluma nje uchaba and stuff.
Nezidingo zamafoni.
Akunzima manje. Antu basebechayana yabona.
Bra,
but fighting is never the answer.
Speaking of violence, bro, this guy, we're gonna start from there. Last week there was a West Side, bro. West Side to Oskambo and Scott Mapuma. Oh shit.
Yeah,
oh shit. And by the way, it was my first time to say Batang.
Finally.
Damn it. Fika lapha ngathola umama wayengeke emnyama ngathi kodwa vele ukuhamba kahle kodwa ngithi uyahamba ngolayithi so it was so fun bro.
Bekumnandi la lami
Scott Maphuma's performance was nice. Oscar Mbo's performance mara ngiwazi ngathi sefuna ukumbhora ngani Oscar Mbora
bengasachaza uwadlala lamanje sembhokala but bekumnandi khona engagcina sengicishile lawo.
It was 10 of the lights. Kanami wacima. Bra uyasinda bra phela ngakuthwala nzima la sesihle ama stepsini. Hamba ngiphethe la. Yabona
alamu kwako lilanga la. Athi kuhle nje ukuthi kulisting ahamba namajida wami yabona. Ngabe ngihamba labantu bamanje abafana sensiba ipopayo abantu you know.
Abantu bezothola abazizino kumlanza wena
abantu njani nami ngila pressure lapho kangaka vele yabona ngathi la kutshwala behlula abantu abadala
kanti kungakanani yawu number 1 uperiodic table
mina thinking ngcono but kasala semvukile bazi senge ngachaya Moses phakathi
wavuka
ama temperatures
sikhathi sokuhamba imanga ukuthola outside wawusaphandle
ayisenzile umsebenzi wakho Oscar Mbolo siwathana
hayi
sasechama runaway phakathi la
then speaking of Oscar Mbolo Scott Maphuma abantu abathanda ukungena ama-gigging for free guys maliyeke into zama freebies abo mahala wathi ngikhulumela on behalf of i-team website
abakhalile
because abantu ngeke ndoda expect ukungena mahala event phela event ndoda dali promoter website that keeper
I think so maybe 2.5 months
even 3 I think if I'm not mistaken it promote event there then abantu ba expect ukungena for free 2 artists that has never been done in Ireland has it? No, it has Ustoki and Angelique Babu at that time. But saying I should go big names like Oscar Mbo and Scott Maphuma.
Yeah, I'm to support it.
I'm going to keep him bra.
And speaking of the website, website is planning on doing something. That's what I can
for
say.
For winter.
I'm not for a winter. Angeke ngisho nje phela ngatsho kanjalo ukuthi for winter for summer kuzaba but planning something yabo so the guys save this month nje fake eceleni
lapha December I think website is gonna do one banger or something
something like that but besides it banger it's planning on something else.
I know bro. It's so nice to be always in the loop we know things you told me
I can't ngisho ukuthi abantu laba abaplan into nje so but hopefully this season singaba le episode labo futhi yabo kusho ukuthi hayi basikhulumele ukuthi abona abaplan into nje so kungabe yithi sesile different
yabo
sebenze website ngisho sebenze website yabo kwakulo uPaul wabuya la
but ngithi waqala bakhansela because indaba zakhe ze-visa and stuff and then but it did come and then tickets were still valid. People who had bought tickets before they were still valid on the
but when do you think ukuthi it was a visa issue or
it
was a thing to do with scheduling Singapore?
I do think it was kind of a visa thing because if I'm not mistaken, it was a weekend year. What was it? Afro Nation. It was a weekend year Afro Nation. So if visa as an island, it's a bit tricky. Which is we told you lately. Fana no Uncle Waffles. Apparently she also faced the same issue. I'm not quite sure how true that was.
But yabona. Maybe ungatha visa ne. Because it's a story esingabelieveka but mina ngibona kwami obvious laphana uPaul ne maybe wayala ngoba schedule is tight That like Afro Nation is a big event.
Uzadlala
maybe 2 hours, maybe 1 hour, they at most. Maybe udlala maybe udlala 2 days, 3 days. You never know.
No, but I think they popped up on the last day because
yeah. So when the last day, obviously we paid. The vibe, so I'm told that like pressure is to maintain that level of intensity. Locals at that stage. It show that this is la. So na so mele tatela.
Nice up. Escalated.
So I think it had to do with this schedule. Though I was not fascinated, appalled. I was not appalled by the thing. But and thina says anticipated, though mina bengingafeli. One for my own reasons. In terms of plan izinto ngasave and stuff. So but wapho nje khona ukuthi
but uyabuye
yabo. So I'm trying maybe delight labo omdala sebejoin
Fruit Association.
But it's nice. I did speak came through.
But I did speak not delight same day because in weekend ga poor engasabuyanga. Wakushisa yabo, so i-west side ended up doing something. I think probably i-west side nebuntu if I'm not mistaken ngelanga lakhona. So ngathi ngikhuluma naye, he did attend. Ngathi ngikhuluma naye washo ukuthi no kusuke kwaba nama inconveniences and stuff, but Paul still will come yabo. He did tell me before he actually came ukuthi awusazobuya umuntu lo, there were issues lapho nalapho yabo. So mina I do believe ukuthi umdala usuke wabhayiseka yabo. I'll still attend ama event ka Delight mina, definitely.
Attend.
Just think ukuthi what the go ubhayiseka or also say Singapore maybe less busy yabo.
Amangala nje ukuthi umdala la sengani.
Because seyayenzeka i2 manje if I'm not mistaken. Okungaletha abantu mamele bokuyi.
No, I think it was that.
No, it was twice because the first time wakumele kuyi shakes on less no Vico.
No Vico. Yikho like ngavele ngokungachaza into bakhona khona. Ngasengibona ukuthi
no part fish. Nabanye abantu abengekho part of ama operation but bathanda ukuba ngathi ba part of ama operation. Nathi bawazi kakhulu because they've got celebrity contacts. Like I don't wanna speak names, but team yakhona ne ehamba engathi thanda uhamba kakhulu entweni
ngiyayibona team le ngiyabona.
But
then kwabazoba nale kadwethe website. So event lana ngase ngihambile ngale we did ama interviews lawana le kuntu DJs and stuff. Ngihlele lapha ngasikhuphula ngabona phela abantu basabaleke wabona
because it was hot.
Ngaqala ngisho ukuthi maybe abantu ngeke basabuya vele ba disappointed about this whole party thing and stuff, but people came through, kwaba mnandi, sadla inyama,
aphuza ibhiya.
Then I think there was after party.
There was an after party.
Then after that there was
Waffles.
No, before Waffles there was it was the same week like P Square and stuff.
Same weekend with P Square. P Square did pop up and then people seemed to have fun.
It was nice.
What by the way?
Hambanga, but a friend of mine attended. Was like there was a lot of Nigerian people.
When I was outside the parking lot at that time, I didn't want to go in because lana bengikhona parking lot bese sichazekile la majid na afike ukuthi azopaka azotiming phela bafuna ukungena, they have no intentions of getting. No, but that was not entertaining until
but it was nice. Peace Square ngambona uBhutasi ukuthi hayi lamehlo uyakwanisa ukuscout uBhutasi uyathiya
uBhutasi ayithile labana phela
Until there's utanguphola kumbe awubeyangipita ne utsho ukuthi nguphola lona wasala ngiyatsho ukuthi hayi njiva lezi sazochaya around sibe zingithula phana ziyeqaqana abantu here oh is here no brother my sister is here Choma imoni ndoda apha ya ngikubona kwakhona le live ngabona ku live ka Pro Kid because wathi zayidinga ne wayenze live so abantu beqayeqa online kumnandi
same weekend speaking of uncle Wafuzi akabuyanga
into le ka uncle Wafuzi ne ngavela ngayibona
mina ngayipredictor sasuka yathi phuma ipost abantu besahlanya ne hlatshethi la ngamanga la there's no such thing but apparently angithi Wafuzi bekayenza tour the Wafuzi tour if I'm not mistaken so I think Dublin was part of the tour because the west side I think na yeqala yathola igig lana but babona uthi ama demands abo ngathi awekho ideal yabo kahle kahle ngathi ayikho sharp achiyana la because uncle Wafuzi apparently vele she was looking for a team of promoters in Ireland yabo for abantu maybe abazomlanda airport ne team yakhe nanane yabo through Dublin and stuff so west side initially were the first people abakhuluma but then ngathi deal lakhe ade bengaliswa kahle then Harry hopped on the deal but nathi ngibona ukuthi vele kulo
ngathi ngibona lapha ngafuna ukupromote lokana ngingako understand
ahle ngabona utale izinto zesigaba
ngabe ngicheck ngabona kulamanye ama collaborators
la ahle ngabona utala denja into zesiguma ahle ngabona utala
and in that time ngangisayenza okunye khona phasi
wasenza
ngitshela umuntu la ngithi yazini
ngathengi itikiti leli
ngangcono ngithenge eminyaka
ngeke bezokufanana because yo uthi suthenga itikiti
ngacheya kanjalo mngani wami
but I think abantu were refunded ama tickets wabo if I'm not mistaken I think people got their refunds but oh well
but despite being refunded or not you lose credibility.
But it's not the first time I hear into Leo Harris. I don't understand why they surprised. Why is it much of a shock? Because it's not the first time.
Yeah, it's not the first time. But
Madam, next year they got Paiza. I keep you posted. Keep you posted. You promoted 3-4 months. 3-4 months and you change some ticket. Where's some ticket about event project value? No refund. Change some ticket 3 days before and send the message. Unfortunately, I'm sorry.
Artist is the Kanye and also the kitchen.
So next year, if we will try and fraud, it's nothing personal. I'm in Funama Kumba. Life your food and the tobacco
I see. But then there was same weekend for but in the laws goes with name. Why is it? Like abantu bamenyezelana weekend eyi-1 2 days sokunamartist ngabholangale like wakulotira futhi the same weekend yabo
Belfast waseBelfast I think
but kula muntu anje kuthiwa abantu abangu-20 yini what
but abantu babengekho baningi but
abantu aba-athendayo bathi kwakumnandi bekhuluma like from umuntu wayekhuluma lotira maybe ukuthi bayazana like such but yeah. Kwakumnandi, it was chilled event, kwakumnandi stuff yabo. Ngabo khalabo Asithi tsitsitsaya
ezithi utira awumthatha imali eningi afike yathi
malini kanti wathi 50,000 imali rand ukuthi uzafika ethi yena
makoya pairings
yazini
Yaphela.
But nge 50,000 imali
Phela ngithi kuyigama phela ukuthi ngutira lani so
50,000 imali 2.5
euros is 2.5
Cha kuphela.
Yeah, phela uthi lona ndoda wamsebenzela for years and years so slogan. Before ufikaabo bathini bona wakule
Angiyazi
uhlanye
amele ndoda yenze more than ukuthi cha kuphela
afike ethi sidla on the rocks. Simnandi ngoma baba, simnandi ngoma channel yakho ngi 50 yami. Uthi aswima fia aswi
koloka kufunyisa.
Una ndoda. Hey. You must eat or be eaten now in the music industry. Don't know.
Nzima then uthukidi warelease ingoma. Yathiwa lesibindi le. What do you believe in?
No move isibindi. So ayimamela wena.
Right imnandi like from ingoma zonke ezikantwana ne like yes engayibona design yasilaleani obvious district
out of 10 we rate her.
I district asikhodla
out of 10 we rate her.
Leyana ka Thukedi
usibindi
give it maybe 6.5
about the other 3 point something
3 point something obvious phela ngithi so too perfect but it's not too perfect, it's not boring, right trend like from ezinye ingoma sengangazizwa like azireleasayo. I think that one is the best one. I didn't even ngamtshela la ngathi angikwazi lapho ukuthi ukuphila ngenhliziyo ngesibindi but
awukuzoyiyo
but ingoma yona mnandi. Do you believe noma ufuna isibindi?
Ufuna isibindi noma uvuka isibindi?
Ufuna isibindi wazi. Mina ama lyrics angwazi, mina yabe ngikholisa kuphela yabona.
Yeah.
Then there's a guy angazi ukuthi ufeature bani like then we are rapper don't you so no yabona bayarapper but inandi ukuthi ama lyrics angwazi kana ngabe ngiyachaya bafo baya but inandi but engwazi ukuthi do you believe noma ufuna isibindi angazi ukuthi let's start what kumbuthini ukuthi angona labe sethi kumbe selimambla kumbe sethi ngenzani
selimambla
yabona so but right mnandi even ibit lakhona even like imayiqalisa
uyefitele producer uthara
yabona sasilale zonke izinto lezi but ukuthi nje kwenye suke singakwazi ukuthi
asithi tsaka nje umkuwe
yebo kuwe umkuwe is wild bro. But yeah, ubulale ingoma la ngaqalisa itsho njalo yabona maybe take yakhe ngithi like ama producer lama take stuff and stuff like imnandi la ngoma it's good maybe ukuthi wasebenza lotsara ngathi but maybe laba abanye abantu abasebenza ukuthi angazi like I've realized abantu like abayenza ama producer laba nabanye be music abo Eugene abo Reese and stuff ngathi ku music la amajita wona ngobawo abhayisana yabo like because yathola ukuthi yeah maybe 3 ne you're working on a project and then chatting ndoda lonke lise island last not ukuthi omunye se South Africa ngale omunye ngombonga nga lethatha ndoda for months ndoda keep ingoma or maybe like get a trial already in the next 6 months I'm working on the album and stuff but say this post ingoma sabona ama snippet
okudala kana ku Eugene ke Eugene akupostele ingoma ethi yabuya ndoda wani yonke
mina yazi like sometimes mase senga support Sizaba ngathi maybe abantu but no sabe sihlala sikhipha ndoda angazi kumbe ndoda lifuna ukupopa ingoma ezi1
mara uPerry uzohlala drop
Perry yapostile ngithi
lale post drop manje
yabo but ndoda ngana nongwazi ndoda abanye ngabahlala befeature kuphela feature wona kuphela awule yakhe ingoma awukhawukele njani abantwana.
Speaking of ndoda ngicela ngayikhohle indaba le kanti kulabantu abathengisayo alisitsheli you don't tell us that you're selling nyash. What to buy mus what to buy mus ona ufuna ukusupporta i-black business ndoda
nyash ethengwayo mfowethu.
The experience. But the experience. Ndoda. I couldn't believe in Tole Ndoda. Kuna mandoa is rekisi.
Like ngakuza khona ngaqala ngenza kuthiwa ngale town ngani yabona. Ngathi amephingo kwase town. But ngathi
abantu sibaziyo bra.
Vele lasemafonini lapha bayokwenza into kwakhona. Ami ngamanga.
Amele lisitshele guys support lathi ama-business yabo. Support ama-business khona abantu asebenza labo lapha ndoda abangela abafasi nto.
Siyabadingela ukuva lapho.
Lami personally sometimes desperate times come with desperate measures.
Dingela labo Abdullah labo kuva.
Sly imali and stuff.
Boost business.
Sly imali and stuff, you know.
Nabe marketing director.
Hit online and tell us.
Unadingela ama-customer.
Nasithi mina yabona unchanya 10% yokuthi ngibena ama-customer yabo.
10%.
Kamina kawena.
Maybe 25-75.
Ama-customer, but she's doing all the work matter to pay. So mina mangitinga ama-customer marketing
ukudinga ama-customer ngiyakumakethela i-business utholele lana vele elinye lingagcina sele i-regular.
So uhlezi wazi ukuthi every Friday yabo
le ndawo yokuhlinza
yakhona islaughterhouse yabo live
yabona but into lezi ngathi zabophize
engathi suyenza prostitution
kuyabophisa then kwaba le ingoma le ethiwa ikhekhe le sisikhuluma izinto zokuhlinza
sika le khekhe
esini ngoba sika le khekhe ndo
ngabani ka Scott Regina
kulo Scott kulo Gina Oils
so Gina Oils ndo
Gina
sifuna usuke lo my sisters
tambali mala kuthi mali
3 Gina
tango nalo Shay 3 Shay ya Gina kodwa tango Gina
awuyihlabeli usithi thini phana
sika le khekhe wangeno Andile sangena rasibona yagoma sika le cake but one thing ne engazibuza is why is it uSebs angasifaka because ivoice yakhe ngiyazi khona lapha cake bamna sethwa ivesi lika Andile abantu but sizathina sizavuka senze izingoma
lathi avuka senze music nhlanga ngokutshela big sabe studio sethu wapha amabhazi ndoda ngathi kulula lokho very easy
ukangishaya amabhasi simanzini asika le cake sika
sebayikhipha aya ulamanga
the video is not available on the studio.
About the sound
ayikho
enza njani madoda like they are really like that yakhipha
futhi yabona into izinto esizikhala abana consistency but my record somewhere ngona I know but njani
ayisekho sewayi-discontinue.
But ingoma lana ngayi-rate
out of 10
I'll give it a 3.
that bad mina ngayimameli phela
Yeah.
is it that bad
Ingamixwanga kahle kuthiwa mixing and mastering.
not mixed and compiled
Vele wawumuzwa lo muntu oyenza ama-adlibs ngemuva nani ukuthi okay lona uhlabela ngale lo uhlabela ngale but kuhlangene but uyezwa ukuthi lona uhlabele ngale then not ukuthi to shame abosisi abakho basithwala like obvious wonke umuntu uzaba nomntwana stuff
not wonke umuntu khona abantu aba-infertile phandle na. What do you mean
hayi phela ungakhuluma njalo omunye umuntu kuyafika enhlizweni yabo
But I can't change
uza-adoptha ke mntwana
but still my point is if you can
kodwa hayi mntwana se-adopted child ne but yatsho nje speaking of abosisi abake bazithwala like me it's none of my business or such but why is it bangapost ama-boyfriends wabo it's not like umbuzo ovela kimi umuntu
abantwana most yabo ngama-product we-drunk sex. As a drunk sex you tend to make mistakes. Drunk sex baba ubona ukuthi sekunzima ukunyomola la
yabo ngekho proud vele of umjida wakho
phela you know most of amajida tend to have izitayela. Let's just say uCherati PK I'm pregnant. Yeah?
keep
you know? But Mina at the same time I don't know man, I just feel like each decision you keep should be a mutual understanding.
It
should be a mutual understanding and an agreement upon two parties. I'm fit. I don't think I'm ready. How about you?
Alright, let's say for example uCherami nothi ready ne mina ngikho ready si-conclude njani into enjani.
Therefore you must continue this journey without me. You must continue this journey without me. I know you'll make a good mom one day. I wouldn't run away though. I wouldn't run away. But if when it happens with you're not ready, Brian, who Charity and she's ready, you're gonna have to play ball, bruh. Now you have to pull up your socks extra hard. Because at the end of the day, even if you say you're not ready, but you are the one who
cold feet nje ukuthi into le wakujumile.
No one is ever really ready to be a parent, Jake. I don't think anyone is ever, especially if you
never had situation like so kunjalo
and play ball, brother, and be there for your kid. Because even if it was a mistake, but you still made that mistake. So now own up to your shit.
Yeah. Own up. Then Eugene, the chess boy, umfana sport. Angazi wathi bayenza something la. So
ufana ngesport angasecula.
Ngamangala.
Hayi wena.
Ngesport angisenza cula. Bangena big bill safika namaqamula sabangena danko.
Athi okay, let me try and draw some blood. Athi hamba nabo khabazela. Manje sebakhuvondela. Manje ngiyababumezela. Awari ithelule flow Jake. Hayi no.
But mina ngibona into lokho ngahlala phansi le. Usinike isikhathi. Manguyenza mina lokho.
Ngazinika isikhathi uthola iflow ne. Laba I think ngakuyenza.
I got 10:04. Fika nabo 10:04. Hawo.
Ayadala wena.
But akho lula khona ukwenza.
It's not easy to make music, bro.
But azinika ndo isikhathi.
But I think if you put in the work, because I think hard work beats talent any day. Hard work really beats talent any day.
Ndoto ngoma bengibhala every day sazihlanga.
Alihlanga. Two lines.
Then asifona omunye oreleasayo. Berries ba-release. Then do you think Okandex usazophenduka ku-music industry?
I don't know. I think that's entirely up to him. Uzomele simbuze ukuthi how far apart.
Mina
ngambuza no.
Ngambuza cause ngisenanzelele put that thing on TikTok live. But I also plan on something like different style or different approach to music. Maybe the approach of when I like tanda stuff, you know. Asas got a part.
I mean, the fan base. I don't know if they don't relate to your music. When you play the music, I want to relate to you about at least to the crowd control or something like that.
So
what are the odds that is a mameding Gomara Okandex who's forgetting some farmer from Mamad Okandex? I was not disrespect, but saying
Mina patingena la de twana de edo video on the day.
Yeah, you go to watch out of most of his tracks. Napa le visuals cars.
Yeah,
le visuals cars but besides from that one, I don't think go to call any track index. I'll keep a reply.
The cake the system. Texas the cake. In a day.
It's enough for me.
Alright. This one, suppose I like abantu babuya ku music, like listen to music. Babuya ku podcast that. Because like abaningi bakhona sebathu like Honestly, right. Eugene, do you think Eugene will release anything this year? Because there's this video as for my chain corner there. Now I'm from one there. Like high anticipation, like what ya poor man ya like say rate and stuff, ne? Like in city affiliate today. But mina ngibona angazi nto. Waphela waqala kuthiwa me waya June. Sesiku September. So maybe next year asas, but not ukuthi nyanyaza like maybe umunye umuntu ongadropa like maybe Berries.
Now Berries is consistent.
Yeah.
Berries is consistent.
Because bekhuluma nge-album and stuff. So maybe umuntu ongadrop something, maybe noma single or something.
Maybe yeah.
Then there's this kid who dropped the Berries status Prat. That guy's dope. Like from wonke abantu basebenza hip hop, ne? Like Aiden, he has his own like unique style of approaching the game. Like uyenza the drill, our central scene stuff like from bonke ngibaziyo ngoyenza khona. Then kulo Zoo. The thing of Zoo, I just believe, but Pesha is into trap. Like I wanna listen to messengers about Choose Well type. Yeah, like you're much it but Loana Prada release. It's just like I'm a bit outside of the influence of the social life here.
Okay, yeah.
But like ngiyabona like postula la ngisola khona ngiyabona withdraw and check amanye ama videos like ingoma zakhe ziblind.
Mfana no Brendo ngomunye blind. Brendo is too good, bro.
But about talk, you see, the thing is you have good, but staying is a final product. Like you're final like about Tina Shlangwan. I'm not putting any she's not doing anything. Like you're final the last time we had a Babians or something like C major and stuff. That's not whole and going to yeah. So 1 year in between podcast and today's podcast, yabo, but like mina nza give up, like yabona, not like ukuthi ngabanyatsa and stuff, no,
but you give up.
Lama ngila consistency obviously for now, you know, ukuthi sibambekile stuff, but ngokuya kwesikhathi obviously kuzalunga, uzabona lathi sabe sesibe consistent, sesibuyelile, sesiphezulu.
But I wanted to speak about event organizers or whatever. Those guys are not taking local artists serious, dog, to a certain extent. There is favoritism in terms of payments and bangathi bakunyathile ba decide ukuthi abafuna ukubhadala bekuchina store bakubhadale
kuyinto ezinto zama.
So just feel like at a certain extent they have to also start taking local artists serious, because even if you're hosting an event or even if you're bringing big names, there's local artists who's gonna get the party started.
Okunye ukuthi siyakuthatha serious nje wena vele le point nje ukubheka ama-promoters la, but siyakuthatha njani serious vele wena yourself, ne, lapho khipha ingoma ezingu-2
No, I don't think women to Kulman. I'm a DJ. Now I'm talking about DJs.
Alright, I'm a DJ.
In terms of event promoters.
But I think as a DJ, I think it's better, like, look at Upro Kid. He's not only a DJ, but aside when music, like Upro Kid, don't DJ, you release like maybe like this year keep your album, like last year you keep your album, or keep EP, or keep the single, like maybe this year you keep music video, Ebe kuluma we splash and so I don't know how far.
Make your point.
But like my own DJ, maybe at least doing something. DJ. Cause look at I'm an artist that big, who my piano industry, like I was called Mapu. Mapu that was DJ, that was Lavede, secretary. Yakwazi makuzana sikhambela independently, makuthi mepresele ezinye members akhe yabo, or in team makuthi ufuna DJ, ufuna perform.
As DJ now perform.
So at least it becomes better. Even ngangitshela omunye uzu things like singing episodes and as artist mele bekwazi la ukuthi ndo a thing or two about the product. Ungakwazi yonke into ne,
but a thing or two about the product.
Because something, because then ngeke uphonge ukuthi ngingu-DJ banenge o-DJ ndoda last nini ngombono sisilo Tomani sisilo mucha lo
Seri Case DJ Seri Case,
so kunomunye DJ omutsha, so ngokuya vele DJ ngeke silabatsha yabona. So but into engananzelela abanye bengo-DJ sis, but ngathi abasalocals. So ngathi sokulinka the story the Sunsource khona to kid. Abanye ababebeze studio. Try in the name of DJ, in the name of making music. So music industry,
there's a lot going on.
Ngathi sayithatha serious kangaka yabona.
How about to MC Scott Mapuma? Were you impressed? There were 2 MCs.
Scott Mapuma, kula lo wakhuluma wahlabela kodemke Father of All Nations. Yeah, mina ngazi Father of All Nations. Kwakulo bani uma?
Ululu.
La kwakulo
njalo ngeweekend namagege.
Sidla imali yami, hayi sengimazi right.
Nama MC akamele sibe na MC aserious, hayi isijayivele jazz, a dancing jazz. But uJunior I think ule potential.
uJunior pen.
Father of All Nations pen. Ingule potential niya.
Alright. Ulo kuyifafa mungaza vele le bandla lalisavera. Lethi damn ke lawo.
Iyothi mayihlanga.
Yothi mayibonana.
Ululu. Ariyavula tiwo.
Wena kusikoti maphuma wasuchaya abantu mafam.
Ndoda ngangachaya umuntu but ngangisukelwa mina.
Wasuyenzani? Sixoxe mafam.
Noma lo yazi umuntu nje okusukele ne afika kuwe yakusiphansi ukuthi phezulu ukuthi phansi uphume kuwe but umuntu lo ulibele ufuna ukuxabana nawe for some reason chita khona igama lakho BK hayi
unzima
nachita jwalana babi phandle la. But Matezo ngithola mvukela amadlozi
ekhulumi.
Matezo ngithola mvukela amadlozi ne. The rest will be
hola majensi. Bacanga sebukubhana kweqiniso khathese
bebhana. Ndoda mina ngizange ngalanda ukulwa kade ngasukela. Ngizange ngalwa but ngalokho ngiphuma kuwe cabanga. Lapha hlangana nalo khona andlanda.
Awumele umbuzo ukuthi kudazwa.
The problem
mele likhuluma into leyo yabona but mina lengangifaki mina phela ngithi ngilazi lonke so
you must pick a side. Let's pick a side.
mina vele ngiyathola ithi ngiphume kini senzile kwami phela mina ngithanda easy yabona
like easy waves.
Angithandi ukwenza izinto nzima ngami so kumele sengichoose mina kanti ngangikhona kuxabana
sengichoose nami lokuthi sixabane sayinangwazi. But it's fine.
Then akwenye sakhuluma ngakho futhi ubhuti wama Range Rover. Bani ubhuti wama Range Rover? Uzakuphamba uqalisa ngo-S so
uyenzeni
abathi busy vele ngijola labo sisi bama
Range Rover.
Yathi wena ubhizi vele ngabosisi bama-Range Rover vele akajolo lo muntu ongaka-Range Rover maybe ngama-standards.
Bani umembo wakhona?
Umembo wakhona yamazi umuntu omdala so phambane bize la ngiyacabanga ngizakutshela so okay this one story lesi kongomunye usisi wayengikhuluma layo so angibuza ukuthi kanti yalisashuta podcast no siyashuta njani but njani kuthi these days summer
California sitholakala
yabona lesikhathi so athi ukuthi ufuna ukubuya yena kumubhuti wama-Range Rover la wamdlala kubo and stuff yabona ngithi ukuthi so vele ngingambona futhi think last week red car part we-Range Rover
yena ubhuti wakhona yawe i-Range Rover yakhe kumbe yomfazi?
Hayi ngumfazi ukuthi my sister wayesithi na ukuthi unwatshintsha imoto and stuff tukutuku aphutas ngawo manje athatha standard sokuthi vele mina sengisensise ngitshaya
umfazi must drive a Range Rover.
ngisho ukuthi so vele ungathi ukutshaya ku-Range Rover ngobana awusabuyeli phansi cabanga ndoda sokwagada imoto maybe ukuthi amajida phela ngale kasi nje basidrayiva phela yabona so wanti la amajida
The pressure is getting worse.
maybe standard sikaputasi
Standard is standard is the one.
Standard is
Standard is
then okunye sakhuluma ngakho was the story yenza ngala somewhere Dublin abasanitshelanga ukuthi ngaphathi ngaphambi kuchawa yena izindaba zala zihamba ngomoya umoya wadlula endlebeni wami ngathi yabo so kuthiwa alright ngingubuze kanje so iscenario le sithi mina lawe cameraman wethu ne sithola lo Cheroy wa ne
kodwa sikwazi thina
asikwazi so then si discover maybe maybe sithi not sensitive like thola ukuthi ngokuyinto kamachida nje
Cheaters
yabo thola ukuthi maybe bafonele mina yabo navasi lami ngiyakule confidence ezimchida thola nami sengichaya video call ngombani ebandleni uzi voice yabona wafika voice ngathi ukuthi
like uthi wena lese for instance ukuthi-cheaters ne and then kungena i-phone call
but bafonela mina
wena it happens ukuthi sonke sikhona kuvenue yakhona and thina sicavana
so discuss
siyawazi siyazana thina
siyazana
sonke siwu-3 siyazana but akwazi ukuthi sithola becherry one shit and then wena uthola i-phone call siblomile kucherry
ndiblomile khonapho hayi not kucherry khonapho sijideni khona siblomile ngithi sing-savings
ngithi uthola i-phone call from ucherry i-video call
ngiyayijasena
okay
ukuthi alright silwana oyi-1 sabamfoni
nami ngizwa i-voice
uzwa i-voice noma afika ngandazi what's your reaction like
mina ngeke liqeda ukukhuluma ngifike ngithilise ngithi phela ngithi i-voice le ngiyayazi le kade ukukhuluma la umfazi wami umfazi wami phela so manje uthini but singaxabani siyenzeni so madoda angitheni ngitshela ukuthi uhlakaniphile so wena ma ushayisa fanda ehamba kuye mina ngizambhukha kusasa wena umbhukhe day after simbonye sonke senze sure ukuthi siyambhonya blind ngomkhono yabo njalo until laza discover ukuthi lezi ziyakwazi then we have the last laugh as men ngeke sixabanele abafazi madoda sixabanele wena ungayenza
mina ngasikhathi sokulandelela ezinye izinto mina ukutshela
sichane lapho
ungambona ngathi immature nginjani childish you can describe me in a way you want another
I know but sengitshela ukuthi not 3 sesikwazi so mina option ukuthi siyenze
khona kusaba kuhlunga but sabe suppose utshwala khona ngisingathela utshwala mngani wami
but mawuzaba kuhlunga phela for i-closure asimdlale lathi siyi-3 esitshela ukuthi asikwazi simdlale simuthi triangle
phela kuna
triangle
infections into
yazi into yathi CD ithi balaclava kete maqede lapho ungamkhaphi ukuthi hayi ungahamba ngini ungahamba ngini
hliziyo wena awahliziyo mafiyama nasibona bona
itopi itheni utsheli
then kwakulomjida lo wasezini lo kuthiwa atholakale le 62k emotweni
cash in euros
wasegalwe in euro
when was it attractive
I'm not sure but bathi besebenza kumbe wena real estate or something but bantu beyenza lezi zinto zamanje
62,000 cash
abanga ndoda imali yonke lento euro
damn
then kwaba lama IG stories ne
konje kwaba le ndaba kwaba le account le ayisekho I think ayisekho kunale yokuqala le follow ngabo Cherry kuphela
kwakulelana uCherry
then kunale wathi ama voices what
silence
voices
athi mina story lezana zinyanya sibelieve lezana baba
maye
akunzima like ezabo malume Waterford uthumana umuntu asefuna ukubamba ibele
bana ngamanga lawa akumalume wase-Waterford abangani bani musi
nabantu lokala ngawubona but nje yabona istory sakho lo mase ngokutshela istory uNtomazini
njalo
uthi cha umalume asefuna ukubamba ibele
tozambambe mntwana mbambi chest le wena but mina la uHarris I do believe ukuthi uHarris twa yena drug abantwana or something I don't know
mina ngathi ngibona istory lesana ngaba lokho ukubelieve ngoba lesinye story ngeke ngasizwa nje sokuthiwa kwakusokulo mntwana oyi-1 khona ngale wabentshintshanisa kumbe beyi-4 kumbe wakwenzakalani
sebathi zindwendwe bhuti
ngamangala ngathi yazini yabona edabhulini lam
wayirahala yo
kunzima isitori lezana bezinzima guys. Even labo mafia nabo babeqanjwa boderoni, but I don't think ezabo deroni lezana track abantwana.
That's a lie. I don't think it's true.
17 years old.
I don't think it's true.
Even
but I think it's a
Uncle Flex umetomba.
I'm trying to think phone but I don't think so. I don't know. From what I heard, apparently she was the abusive one. I'm not quite sure, but that's what I heard.
Yeah, it's rumors goes.
Yeah, apparently, allegedly.
So,
but every year, brother, there's always a group of with gossip about people in islands. It's an annual thing. Muntu lo yake celebrate anniversary every year fully fake account.
But apparently those people, some of them are from UK, some of them are from Ireland, because into lana yaqala so UK then yakusanga. Then you can delete leyo bekude Lukompo.
I don't know. I think it was yesterday. I'm not quite sure when was it. Amakompo. I think it was yesterday though, yeah. Yesterday the day before
or Saturday.
Yeah. Amakompo.
Ngokubana kwami lapha bekulabantu abangu-20 bafana. Hayi
shita awunanika streka wena
khona bekungathi kuyachaza but beku-empty, bekukhanya, it was visibly empty.
It was visibly empty. It was visible to the naked eye.
Ngabe sithi bafaka abantu abayi-1, abantu bonke endaweni eyi-1 laphana mo.
Brand was visuals.
Yeah, kade ku-brand was visuals.
I keep fighting, man.
Ayizazivukile
ikompo.
Then bekulo Miss Island.
Who won Miss Island?
Miss African Island.
Who won?
Angimazi but kuthiwa nguTsitsi.
Tsitsi. That's the name. Ulahade manje.
Kuthiwa nguTsitsi. Ibizo isishona kazi isishona
as in like Tsitsi Matsiana. What?
Utsiwa Matsiana. Awufile then took it ube rapper lapana. What do you believe? What do you believe la yiphi but ngomazi. But is it true ngathi siyakhambelana ngoma zakho. So rephile abantu abathindi umuntu attendile event engimbuzileyo umuntu omdala uthi hayi event ibe mnandi
Mama cry nice.
Yeah, then we took it, even performance I took it was nice. So ukuthi hayi ingoma leyo do you believe yenza izinto zayo, keep the good work mfana, keep pushing, release eyinye singabe lokho sizo do you believe ngiyabona promoter yona which is good work because kuyakhanya ukuthi at least kathembelanga abantu ukahamba kuma radio promoter and stuff yabo though wahamba wathini uzabe performa kuphori umdala
when do you believe yamthanda wazi ukuthi uhlala ukukhuluma ngayo ku every episode
lawana siwarisa but Uncle wrong check.
I am tired. Do you believe? But took it because your biggest fan.
But took it on the island check. And some support. But abantu labo bazibuza ukuthi do you believe lo mbane yabona lathi abantu abasibukelayo abangasoba se-island babuye bazonjani bazolokhuza. Then ku Viasco Brothers they are doing a performance at the summer show, summer what, but just check them. La twins done sense in the podcast. Just I don't know. They go by the name Viasco YGE, something like that on IG. Yeah, so just check. Maguti be interested on the show. Then what's one? Right, yeah. Then there's a friend of mine who's a subscriber from Canada. So she was asking ukuthi funa uBlue uBlue syrup abuye futhi.
Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Sasitshela izitori zakho Blue syrup
that does from 2023 to now. Ziningi story amebhalazi. I don't know.
Hayi umsendele email.
Simsendela. Then before we wrap up, what has been the highlight of your summer?
The highlight of my summer? Bro, I've had so many good memories this summer. I can't lie. But so we did have an event up this summer, and most of them were successful in my opinion. Most of them they were good because most food people dominate the west side this summer. So I attended the event to the side of Porakon. Especially Nyamenini, I see Gile. And the Papa really up to standard this time. Papa really up to standard. Yonki into this year. Was it this year? Then that was Zashio.
Yeah, back this year.
But that's smart.
Then for me, the highlight of my summer is the Scott Mapuma.
Obviously, it has to be. But now, like, up with the summer,
like, alright, the reason why is because everything else that happened before it doesn't make sense anymore. Like
because the standard was far up.
No, not because of the standard. Like from experience, yeah. Everything else, like the moments, the memories, whatever. Always got it before Scott Mapuma.
It doesn't matter.
This summer day, it's pointless.
But that was
it's
really
pointless. The only thing,
real.
like, Nzokchela outside the topic. Didn't tell you, but like for me, the highlight of my summer was Scott Mapuma because that whole Saturday, man,
was lit, bruh.
Like for me now,
from
vele ngivuke ngimnandi ngivuka lapha tithanga chawu ngamagams kwami vele ngimonazi ngadesha ngachayela ujina oils around axoxa lo my sister ngathenga nami ngasupport ibusiness khona ngalele ngibona uthi lathi ungathwa abantu beDublin babuye lapha kuphela then ngabuya lapha ngibloma namajita ngabona imama and stuff ngaya ku sport ngale ngakholisa bona that nje weekend lana nje yeah that was the highlight ukuthi hayi yabona summer leya ngahamba Oscar Mbo Scott Mapuma.
And I'm grateful to Westside Basiza because there was a time sikhuluma ngama artists we did mention Oscar Mbo and Scott Mapuma. And they delivered. Me, I'm happy.
Yeah, katese semfuno thamba nomchita lo. Amos.
Mfuno mdu aka TRP.
Yabona bengathi Amos ne. Bethi something turns into something so thamba ne ba umas music swabo. But yabona buma Amos Thambando wathaya
TN Express
Thambando wathaya boya angasabuyi 2023 use3 abona ngambisa
yeah mara
even lo Zulu Michael Jackson kabe kumnandi
let's wrap it up. Word of the day
namhlanje ngoqala ngana
my word of the day today is do not trouble before trouble troubles you. That was a bar. Baba, chai word of the day, Baba.
Alright, the word of the day is boundaries. It's not beef. Doesn't mean I hate you or stuff. Obviously, I'm born with this. But yeah, boundaries, not beef. Great is great. You can never underestimate. There's no substitute for quality. Big
Best part in the beauty.
Alongside CJ Makamola. Danko.